Did you know that 80% of people fail at personal finance? Not because they earn less, but because they plan less. Let's change that today. Hello and welcome to our channel. But before we begin, do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our financial tips. Today, we're talking about something close to our hearts, personal finance. Let's dive in. The reality check. First, let's get real. Many of us feel like we're running out of money by the end of the month, right? It's not just about how much we earn, but how we manage it. For example, many people spend on things they don't even use, like subscriptions and impulse purchases, and then wonder where all the money went. Recognizing this is the first step towards financial health. Now that we know the problem, let's understand why managing money matters so much. Why personal finance is crucial. Why is personal finance such a big deal? Imagine this. You get your paycheck, spend it all on bills, food and fun, and then something unexpected happens. A medical emergency or a job loss. Stressful, right? That's where personal finance steps in. It's not just about saving, it's about securing your life, your dreams, and your future. And that brings us to the very first step in taking control. Understand your income and expenses. Alright, let's start with the basics. Knowing where your money comes from and where it goes. Keep track of every rupee you earn and spend for a month. Trust me, you'll be shocked by the results. For example, let's say you earn 50,000 rupees a month. After rent, groceries and Netflix, where does the rest go? It's not about cutting everything, but making sure spending aligns with your goals. Once you've figured this out, the next step is building a financial safety net. Build your emergency fund. Life loves throwing unexpected expenses, doesn't it? That's why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. It's your financial cushion for the unexpected. Start small, maybe save 500 every week. Over time, you'll have a fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Trust me, it's life-saving during tough times. Speaking of financial burdens, let's talk about tackling debt. Before we continue, if you have found this information helpful so far, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our latest personal finance tips. Let's keep going. Crush debt. Debt is like a swamp. The longer you're stuck, the harder it is to get out. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, like credit card bills. Here's a tip. Use the Snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first, then roll that amount into the next debt. It's motivating and effective. Now that you're freeing up money by crushing debt, it's time to think about making your money grow. Start investing early. Let me tell you a little secret. Time is your best friend in investing. Even if you start small, the earlier you invest, the more your money grows, thanks to compounding. For instance, an SIP of just 1,000 rupees a month can grow to over 2 crore rupees in 30 years at a 12% return. Amazing, isn't it? But remember, wealth means nothing without security. That's where insurance comes in. Insure your future. Insurance is like a safety net. Health insurance, life insurance, and even term plans are crucial. Imagine this. A sudden medical emergency can wipe out your savings if you're not prepared. Insurance ensures that you are protected, so you can focus on recovery, not on the expenses. Once you're insured, it's time to think long-term about retirement. Plan for retirement. Retirement might feel like a lifetime away, but starting right now makes all the difference. Think of it like planting a tree. The earlier you plant, the bigger the tree grows. Use tools like EPF, PPF, or NPS to build your retirement fund. Remember, you're not just saving for old age, you're buying freedom for your future. And the key to staying ahead in personal finance? Never stop learning. Constantly educate yourself. The financial world changes constantly, and staying updated is the key. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or even follow trusted blogs. Even following YouTube channels like this one can help. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. I hope you're feeling more confident about taking charge of your finances. If you're still here with us, it shows your dedication to improving your financial well-being. Here's some good news for you. We're creating a comprehensive playlist on personal finance to guide you every step of the way. To stay updated and not miss out, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Let's take control of your financial future one step at a time. Until next time, stay smart and stay secure.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.